Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Tackling outdoor projects is easier when you have the right tools at hand. The best wheelbarrows combine durability, capacity, and ease of maneuvering, making garden chores, landscaping, and heavy lifting more efficient while reducing strain and saving valuable time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Aerocart's GOR 6PS Convertible. The Aerocart's GOR 6PS Convertible is a high-capacity utility wagon designed to simplify your toughest hauling tasks. Its impressive 6 cubic foot capacity and large 40 by 25.6 inch bed make it perfect for transporting everything from soil and mulch to beach gear or camping supplies. With a massive 1,200-pound weight limit, it can handle heavy loads with ease, reducing the number of trips you need to make. The solid poly bed resists rust and damage, ensuring years of reliable service even under harsh outdoor conditions. An innovative steel frame not only improves durability, but also shortens assembly time, so you can get to work faster. One standout feature is its patented quick-release dump mechanism, which makes unloading materials fast, efficient, and mess-free. This all-terrain wagon is built to roll smoothly over grass, gravel, and sand, providing a versatile solution for yard work, gardening, or outdoor adventures. Aerocart's is known for its commitment to quality and innovation, and this model lives up to that reputation by combining strength, convenience, and ease of use in one heavy-duty package. It's an ideal choice for homeowners, gardeners, or anyone needing a rugged, dependable cart for hauling bulky items.
Number 2. WORX WG050 Aerocart Wheelbarrow. The WORX WG050 Aerocart Wheelbarrow is a uniquely engineered 8-in-1 yard and garden tool that redefines versatility. With its turbo lift design, you can move up to 200 pounds while feeling as though you're lifting only a fraction of the weight, ideal for reducing strain during demanding tasks. Built to handle loads of up to 300 pounds, it's perfect for heavy-duty yard work, from moving soil and gravel to hauling firewood or tools. This stability also enhances safety, reducing the risk of tipping while you're working. Independence is a core benefit. Tasks that once took 2 or 3 people can often be handled by one person with the Aerocart's leverage and adaptability. Sturdy construction and thoughtful engineering ensure years of reliable performance. Whether you're an avid gardener or a homeowner tackling weekend projects, the WORX WG050 offers a practical, space-saving solution that replaces multiple single-use tools with one cleverly designed piece of equipment.
Number 3. Landworks Battery Wheelbarrow. The Landworks Battery Wheelbarrow brings powered convenience to heavy-duty hauling, making it a top choice for demanding tasks in garages, warehouses, or outdoor settings. Equipped with a powerful 500-watt brushless motor powered by 4 12-volt 7Ah deep-cycle lead-acid batteries, it delivers robust performance capable of supporting 500 pounds of load capacity and towing up to 1,000 pounds. The battery system is spill-proof and designed to excel even in cold conditions, while faster charge times help you get back to work quickly. Variable speed settings up to 3.1 miles per hour forward and 2.2 miles per hour reverse give you precise control over movement, while the quiet brushless motor makes it suitable for noise-sensitive environments. Whether you're hauling materials across a construction site, moving supplies in a warehouse, or tackling large outdoor projects, the Landworks Battery Wheelbarrow offers a powerful yet quiet alternative to traditional manual carts.
Number 4. Best Choice Products Yard Wheelbarrow. The Best Choice Products Yard Wheelbarrow is a versatile, budget-friendly option for home and garden tasks. Its deep plastic bin holds up to 5 cubic feet of materials like soil, mulch, gravel, or bricks, making it ideal for landscaping, gardening, and DIY projects. Built on a powder-coated steel frame, it combines strength with long-lasting durability, resisting breakdown from outdoor exposure. The wheelbarrow has a compact profile that allows it to store upright in a garage or garden shed, saving space when not in use.
With a 330-pound weight capacity, it's strong enough for most residential tasks without feeling cumbersome. This model's easy tipping action adds convenience, helping you dump materials quickly and cleanly. Overall, the Best Choice Products Yard Wheelbarrow combines affordability, usability, and thoughtful design, making it a practical choice for homeowners looking for a reliable cart for everyday outdoor projects.
Number 5. True Temper 6 cubic feet dump car. The True Temper 6 cubic feet dump car is a rugged and efficient solution for heavy-duty outdoor work. With a 600-pound load capacity supported by a strong steel frame and rust-resistant paint, it's built to handle tough jobs, like hauling firewood, yard debris, tools, and more. Its 3.3 cubic foot bin may seem compact, but it's optimized for strength and stability, perfect for gardens, farms, or construction tasks. One of its standout features is the quick-release dumping mechanism, which allows you to unload heavy materials in seconds with just a simple lever pull. No lifting or straining required. This dependable cart combines versatility with durability, streamlining tasks that would otherwise require multiple trips or heavier lifting. For homeowners or professionals needing a straightforward yet heavy-duty dump cart, the True Temper model offers practical features that save time, energy, and effort on every project. Whether you're tackling demanding landscaping jobs, moving supplies across rugged terrain, or simply looking for a more efficient way to transport materials, each of these carts offers a unique combination of capacity, durability, and convenience. Choosing the right model for your needs ensures smoother, safer, and faster hauling, making every outdoor work project far more manageable.